Everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Autozone, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is a quick tool haul. There's nothing to unbox, but I'll do a separate video explaining what I bought these items for. I found these at Autozone. This one I'm probably going to have to run to Autozone and take the receipt back because this one's all like bent and it won't straighten. Or like this one is actually straight and this one bends. This is actually a telescoping magnet wand, and then it has a flex shaft that slides out on the end, and it's a flashlight as well as a magnet. So I thought it would come in handy, and I just picked up both colors. This one actually stands up straight. So there's something wrong with the silver one. It's pretty bent. I picked up, this is 2.5 inch ID by 18 inches. And this is 2.25 inch ID by 18 inches. Picked up some adapters or couplers, whatever you'd like to call them. 2.25 ID to 2.5 OD. I picked up a 2.5 ID by a 2.25 OD. I picked up a 2.5 ID by a 2.25 ID. I also picked up a 2.5 ID to 2.5 ID. And I also picked up a 2.25 ID by 2.25 OD. So it's just going to be a quick little tool haul, quick look. Automotive items. Please stick around, and I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.